How to become a digital marketing expert? Well, if you're new to digital marketing, or you may be finding it difficult to build teams as a network marketer, or wondering if being an affiliate marketer is something that you're enjoying, or even if you're looking to retire and thinking about maybe you need a new career to help you get the money you need to retire, look no further, because you have found the Digital Marketing Success Network. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 5 ways that the Digital Marketing Success Network ensures that you can become a digital marketing expert. Well, number 1, when you join the Digital Marketing Success Network, you are going to get a toolkit that allows you to go in and explore all of the skills that you need to make sure you become an expert. Secondly, it is affordable. The monthly subscriptions start at $9.95 a month. And you are able to get weekly Zoom calls for training. You're able to become part of a community that will give you feedback about your posts, about your emails, about any of your videos, or anything that you're doing with your efforts to become a digital marketing expert. And the most important thing is that you are going to get the confidence and to learn how to become consistent and persist in all of the efforts that you identify as your goals and your intentions week after week, month after month. So I hope that you're going to click on the link associated with this video so that you can join my team, and together we can become part of the Digital Marketing Success Network to make sure that all of us are experts and to build our own digital marketing success story. So I look forward to working with you, and don't forget, click on the link associated with this video so that you can join us, and let's go on to be the experts that we all have the capacity to become. Thank you so much.